Andy. We're gonna open the Minions, The Rise of Gru Mystery Minis. We got this at GameStop, and on GameStop they're actually a little cheaper than the other store. So, and I like the Minions, and since it's the color also yellow. So this is what we're gonna try to get. I like the bear, the Gru, and where's
Bobs?
Yeah, I love Bobs.
Kevin.
And I think
Stuart.
we have the old Gru, the old Minions, but I think it's on our bin for Christmas because we used it as a Christmas decoration. So okay, which one you wanna start, Andy? Which one? Which of them? This one. Which one? Which one you want, Andy? Okay.
This big
Okay, we're gonna do what? This one? This one? Yeah. Let's see what we're gonna get. Let's see what we're gonna get. So this one, The Rise of Gru, so he's young. He started. So, actually, it looks cute.
What is he? The chances? Oh, he's 1 of 6.
1 of 6.
We
Let's
got
see.
12, so I might get 2 of them.
I think let's see. Oh, there's hands coming up. Oh, wait. Is this Gru?
Like in fist?
Like your both, yeah, here. There's a leg.
Or not? Or leg? What about, is it like chopping? Could it be Kevin, like Bruce Lee?
Oh, no, yeah, let's see.
Okay, open it.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Oh. Let's see. Let's see which one we're gonna get, Andy. Let's see. Oh, Gru! I did good. I did good. Ah, I guess it right. Yeah. Here we go.
Okay, you can start opening the other one.
Okay. I'll go from here. Let's see.
From where? Oh.
Yeah. Oh. Which one is this? No food, Andy? No food? So that's the 1 of 6.
He's 1 out of 6. The bear is 1 out of 24.
Uh-oh. Something round.
Round?
There's
Like a hat, a wig, headphones.
Okay. Oh, I hope it's not a double. Okay.
What,
No.
hand position?
Wait. Because I see the hands out. And,
Okay, open it.
okay.
Takes too long.
Trying to make it longer. Oh, yeah.
it's a bob.
Bob. That's why I said, like...
1 out of 12. He's wearing like a tracksuit.
Yeah. Good job. You like Pop? You like Pop? So, Bob, he's actually in the first on the lap.
Yeah, but he's 1 out of 12.
1 of 12. Woohoo! Woohoo! So we could do, since he's 1. Like, let's see, we're gonna follow that. There we go. Oh, it's not a double.
Well, they all kind of the same shape. All of them.
Yeah, it looks like, I don't know, this one looks suspiciously. Suspiciously.
Feels.
Let's see.
Oh, it's different.
Different, okay. But
Why?
Yay!
Oh,
He's
yeah.
cute. Bob, but with the
Disco
with the, what's this?
lollipop.
Lollipop. Oh, I thought before. Remember, there's the pop. I thought it's an ice drop. Oh yeah,
Popsicle?
I have popsicle. We call in the Philippines ice draw because you draw ice, you draw. So the ice draw.
1 of 6. He's common.
Yeah, 1 of 6. Okay. Oh, you see? Are you looking at Bob? His Bob? Okay. Oh, it's short again.
Bob.
Bob again. I think it's Bob again. It's short. I like this one.
What's his?
Who's that one?
Oh, it's Bob, but he's 1 of 6, so we might get him. Oh, Kevin? He's 1 of 7 too.
Oh, there we
And
go.
that's Stewart.
Okay, there we go. Oh, he tilts. Oh.
Can he stand? Oh, maybe that's how he stands. Whoops.
Okay, that's 1 of 24. He's on the same row of her.
Okay.
Oh, Bob, her because of the hair. So he's heavy.
Yeah.
The head is heavy. Okay, there we go. Let's see.
Oh, he is almost
Oh, this one's longer.
Kevin, maybe.
Yeah, see, comparing. So maybe Stuart.
No, Stewart's this one.
So who's the
Kevin?
Kevin?
I think Kevin.
Is
I could be
taller.
messed up. Maybe he's Kevin. The other one's Stewart. But I think he's Stewart, he's Bob. And then that's
Let's see.
the tall one's Kevin.
Purple. Oh, double. Our
Green.
first double. Our first double. We could just color the like it change the color of the first
Okay.
double.
This one. Last one on the top.
Okay. Oh, something fair. Maybe. Oh, short again. Short again. Most likely Bob.
We have a
Or
lot of Bobs though.
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I like
cute.
that one. The bear. And he's on this row on that one. Oh, that's so cute. That's 1 of 12.
1 of 12.
Mm-hmm. 1 of 12.
So we got 2 1 of 12.
Mm-hmm.
1 of 12. Let me see.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Because this is 1 of 12.
Okay. Now
Okay,
I'll start
second
this
row.
one. Alternate. So pretty good.
We said 1 out of 24, right? Huh?
Cool.
Sure.
Uh-huh.
And then 2 1 out of 12.
Mhm. Bob again. Short Bob. Just a matter of which Bob,
version?
which version. Kind of like an Alien remix. You see
Oh,
the same?
regular. Regular. Yeah, we haven't got him.
Oh,
Let's see,
okay.
what's his
Uh-huh.
chance?
Where is he?
Oh, 1 out of 72?
Where? Oh yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah,
this is a
the-
lucky one.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, 1 out of 72. Wow.
I don't know what I usually thought like the exclusive was usually on the last 3.
Yeah, usually then.
Uh-huh.
Well, there's no exclusive on this one.
Uh-huh. That's
Well, in
cute.
this case, we got 1 out of 72. Wow.
Okay. So put it in the That's a lucky one.
It's almost like when we did Deadpool. We had some good ones. It was not our own case, but we had like lucky with like the samurai one, the taco one. Oh, the mermaid. No, mermaid is not very on that one.
Oh, we have to get that to do it since we didn't show the
Oh,
Deadpool.
there's one that's broken. of the taco fellow.
Okay.
Who's this? Bob again?
No, tall.
Kevin. We haven't gotten to Kevin yet.
Oh, yes. The roller skating.
Also, Stuart.
Uh
We have a, or there is a 10-inch version of that.
huh.
I don't know if we have it.
I thought I had. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, this one. Last on the bottom row.
No, on the right.
On the right in here.
Yeah.
Okay. So far, they're all good.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't say. Tall again.
Tall again? Oh, I didn't check. What was his chance?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's 1 at 6. The rollers.
I see. Oh!
Oh, is that Kevin?
Oh, that's cool.
That's pilot?
Uh-huh. That's tall. That's doing good. He's the tallest one.
Yeah, Kevin's the tallest.
Okay, we'll do this one.
We haven't got him yet. Oh, it's right next to
Okay.
3 more.
3 more to go. So far, all of them are good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No, short. Short. Bob. Yeah, oh, we still do.
He's 1 at 6. That's cute.
The one that I told you that I like. Is that a kind of like a yellow suit track
It's
suit?
like Bruce Lee kind of.
Oh yeah, the Bruce
Or-
Lee.
Yeah, Bruce Lee, Kill
Bruce Lee.
Bill.
Yeah, the Kill Bill. Yeah.
Cute face. We got 4 different. Oh no, 5 different. Bobs.
No, just remember when we went to Universal, we went to the Minions, and then the song, is it the Casey in the Sunshine Band? Something, the song of the
What?
the song, the one they're playing at the Universal. Okay. Okay, last 2. Oh. Last 2.
Who is it? Short, tall, medium?
Oh. I hope the bear. I hope the bear. I hope the bear. I want the bear. I want the bear. Oh.
No, well, you did get a bear.
Oh yeah. This is the double, right?
Double up Bob.
Oh, he's so cute.
Pajamas.
Okay, I want the bear. Okay, let's see.
Oh,
This
he's
one.
124.
Yeah.
Well, we
I
got
want
2, 1 at 12. Oh, we got him 2 times.
So which one you didn't get?
We got him.
Oh,
we didn't
3.
get Kevin.
Uh-huh.
There's another. Well, he's 1 at 72.
I want this. I want that. Let's see. Oh no, it looks small because it's
Could be
shaped.
Bob again.
Bear, teddy bear, teddy bear. Yeah,
And that.
it's short but has a hair. Maybe that one.
This stuff?
Uh-huh. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, I see. I got it. It's so cute. They're all cute.
Okay.
So we only did into 2.
2 what?
2 of the one that
What do you mean 2?
on the list, or
What do you mean 2?
this one. We didn't get
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're missing 2.
missing 2. This one and
A
that
bear
one,
And Kevin.
right?
We didn't get Bob in a flight attendant.
Oh, okay. So these 3.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And